Hi guys, in this video we are going to explore Sora AI. By the end of the video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use Sora AI, so stick around. This is Casper Anthony from Skillify. Let's get started. Let's compare something real quick. This video you're watching? It's from a website with fancy videos, all clear and shot in 4K. You can see every little detail, like the guy's skin and hair, and even the girl's eyes up close. It's so good. You'd think a professional filmed it, right? But guess what? It's actually made by AI, a smart computer program. You just give the AI a topic, and it makes a video about it. This AI can make things so real that it's kind of freaky. Like, it can make fake people in places look totally believable. Now let's talk money. Good videos usually cost a lot, especially from big websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. But why pay when AI can make videos for free? It's a game changer. But there are some problems. Sometimes the AI messes up, like making too many dogs or making things float when they shouldn't. And there are big questions about whether this AI stuff is okay. Like, is it cool to make fake people doing weird stuff? In the future, lots of videos online might be made by AI like this. It's exciting, but also kind of scary. I'll use it for my videos, but we gotta be careful. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.